Interesting facts about monkeys. Diving right in, did you know that the smallest monkey is the pygmy marmoset, weighing in at a mere 4 ounces? That's lighter than a deck of cards. Swinging to the other end of the spectrum, the largest, the male mandrill, can tip the scales at a whopping 77 pounds. Imagine a medium-sized dog hanging from the trees. But it's not all about size. Monkeys are intelligent too. Capuchin monkeys, for instance, use tools and even have a basic understanding of arithmetic. And for the grand finale, monkeys express affection and make peace with others by grooming each other. Talk about a hairy handshake. There you have it, a whirlwind tour of monkey marvels. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.